How to enable biometric or PIN login in Grab. First of all, open the Grab app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Next, scroll down and select Settings from the menu options. In the Settings section, you will find an option called Account Security. Tap on it to proceed. You will now see a variety of login options. Choose Biometric Authentication if you want to use your fingerprint or face recognition for quick access. If you prefer using a PIN, select Set up Grab PIN. For biometric authentication, you may need to follow on-screen instruction to set it up, which will involve scanning your fingerprint or face. If you are setting up a PIN, simply enter a 6-digit code that you will use every time you log into the app. Once you are done setting it up, you can exit the settings. From now on, you can log into Grab using either your biometric details or the PIN you set, providing both convenience and security. And that's it. Now you know how to enable biometrics or PIN login in Grab. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.